Hey Cubs, it's Thursday, and I'm going to really quickly go over your assignments today so you can be very clear about what you're going to do. Everybody, those in advanced math and advanced reading, and advanced math, advanced reading, and accelerated reading are all doing the same thing because it's Thursday, and Thursday is the day that we do writing and we do social studies. As you can see here, the writing lesson, you've got to click on this about writing an informational book, and Miss Bahar will teach you about writing an informational book. And then she has a writing, if you need to see it, her writing example from the lesson that you can click here and see. Your activity today will be to use your notes from Tuesday and to write an informational book about your topic, kind of like the last one that we did. Make sure you have an introduction, chapters with different information, and a conclusion. Kind of like when we read our book, like when we read the book about the cockroach or the slug or the bat, how there's different information, and then we have to make the headings for that. So imagine that you have a heading and then you have information about that topic underneath. And remember, Miss Bahar on Monday said, if you go back to Monday, she said that you should have, or not Monday, Tuesday, excuse me, at least 3 subtopics and at least 3 facts about each subtopic. So their diet, their habitat, their life cycle. Those are 3 different subtopics, and then you have 3 facts under each one. So you want to make sure that that's how your writing is organized. You can have more sections than that, but you should have at least 3 with at least 3 facts in each, okay? And you should also have your introduction and your conclusion. So look at the way that when we go back and we read The Cockroach Day, look at how that author wrote an introduction and a conclusion. You know, she has one in every one of her books. It even says, I want to introduce you to the bat, or I want to introduce you to the cockroach. So it says, I'm going to introduce you to them, and then it tells about them a little bit before she starts giving you all the other information. Okay? Your activity today, which a lot of you somehow did. I still don't know how you knew to do it, but it's to watch this video right here, a Mayor, Governor, President, Part 2 with Miss Candleberry. You will need that paper, and by that paper, I mean this paper, not this paper, this paper that I said to put in a good place on Tuesday. So now here you are, you're going to use it again. And after today, you'll still need to put it in a good place, okay? So this is what you'll need, and you're going to kind of complete this section. But I take you through it in the video. I take you through where you're going to go and what you're going to do, okay? So that's social studies. Again, it says put your notes in a safe place. That's important, okay? So because you'll need them for next week. So, or not even next week, the week after next week. So super put it in an important place, okay? Because we're going to have a quiz and you can use those notes for a quiz, right? I love you. And that's it. So hopefully that helps if you had any confusion.